one word in 1893 in the Parliament of Religion, Chicago, saying that union of science and spirituality alone will bring peace and harmony to the mankind. Thereafter, he said it is better to run after a football than to read Gita. And he had also said, give me about 10 to 12 men with the muscles of iron and nerves of steel and change the face of Mother India. But a very unique message was given, Your Excellency, in 1897, when he said after 100 years from now, 1897, add 100, it comes to 2007, which is just over. He had said Mother India will emerge as a knowledge corridor of the whole world, and it will show the pathway of peace to the entire mankind. Your Excellency, this has been our journey, this has been our mission. And since day one, with a deep reverence and respect for the great sense of India, Sant Jnaneshwar, Sant Tukaram, starting with the Kanak Das, Purandar Das, to Narsi Mehta, Tulsidas Kabir. Even though we have the engineering and medical branches, management courses and everything, we are always trying to commit ourselves and dedicate ourselves for promoting the value-based universal education system. And this special program, which has been organized for the last 3 years, speaks for itself that unfortunately for 500-600 years, India was under the rule and regime of some foreign rule. In the process, unfortunately, our people lost their self-esteem, self-respect, and forgot their self-religion too. Religion means not the religion which we generally discuss about the rituals, but religion is nothing but one's duty, and religion is nothing but to learn and understand how to do some contribution for the well-being of the whole humanity. On this background, we felt to arouse and awaken the youth of India after 60 years of independence. And on the occasion of the 60th Martyrs' Day of Mahatma Gandhi, wherein we had yesterday only the World Peace Congress for the role of youth in promoting the culture of peace in the world, which speaks a lot when you see the Lord Gautam Buddha and Mahatma Gandhi, two great messengers of peace for the entire world. This speaks also the mindset of this institution. Your Excellency, I am very proud to make a statement that this institution admires to develop the sense of discipline and sense of character, along with the analytical mindset of the people. That has been our mission and a journey has been on the very right path, is proved within the last 25 years. We are celebrating our Silver Jubilee year this year. I am so delighted to say welcome to you, Your Excellency. On behalf of the body of trustees, the management staff and students of this institution, I say welcome to Your Excellency Balakrishnan Sahab, Chief Justice, our Dholkiya ji, Panda Sahab, then Singh Sahab and Rajdeep Sardesai ji. Thank you so much, friends. I am grateful. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर कराट साहब। बहुत ही गरीबी और उसमें भी बहुत पिछड़े इलाके से एक गरीब परिवार में एक बालक का जन्म हुआ, जिसने संविधान निर्माता परम पूजनीय भारत रत्न डॉक्टर बाबा साहब अंबेडकर से प्रेरणा लेकर उतनी ऊंचाइयां प्राप्त की हैं कि आज वास्तव में उनका एक अलग स्थान बन गया है। अपनी विद्वत्ता, निर्भीकता, निष्पक्षता और निपुणता के बल पर भारत के प्रधान न्यायाधीश के पद तक पहुंचकर डॉक्टर के.जी. बालकृष्णन ने यह साबित कर दिया है कि अगर आदमी में लगन हो, गुण हो, विद्वत्ता हो तो वो ऊंचाइयां प्राप्त कर सकता है। मैं आज के इस अवसर पर आप सबके समक्ष हमारे मुख्य अतिथि और भारत के प्रधान न्यायाधीश परम पूजनीय महान न्यायाधीश के.जी. बालकृष्णन साहब का सत्कार करवाना चाहता हूं और मैं प्राध्यापक डॉक्टर विश्वनाथ कराट साहब से ये कहता हूं कि वे भारत अस्मिता के परंपरा के अनुसार हमारे मुख्य अतिथि का सत्कार यहां पर करें। सबसे पहले एक कंबल आपको पहनाया जा रहा है मुख्य न्यायाधीश महोदय। संत ज्ञानेश्वर जी महाराज का चित्र और पुष्प गुच्छ अब ये शॉल दिया जा रहा है। और ये पसायदान उसकी प्रति प्रदान की जा रही है। मैं केवल इतनी सूचना देना चाहूंगा प्रधान न्यायाधीश महोदय कि शॉल हमने लाल रंग का इसलिए ओढ़ाया है कि आपका सत्कार किया जा रहा है इस पूरे नौजवानों की सभा में, लेकिन काला कंबल पहनाने के पीछे एक बहुत विशेष बात है। ये काली कमली कृष्ण भगवान के जमाने से लोगों के कंधे पर रही है, उन लोगों के जो विद्वान रहे हैं। और लोग ऐसा कहते हैं कि न्याय की देवी के आंखें नहीं होती, उनकी आंखों पर पट्टी बांध दी जाती है। वास्तव में न्याय की देवी के आंखें होती हैं, लेकिन वो समान दृष्टि से सबको देखती है और उस समान दृष्टि के लिए एक ऐसा रंग दिया जाता है जो काला है, जिस पर कोई और रंग नहीं चढ़ सकता। इसलिए काले रंग का कंबल आपको प्रदान किया गया है। राहुल कराट साहब से मैं निवेदन कर रहा हूं कि वे माननीय टी.एन. शेषन साहब को पुष्प गुच्छ देकर सम्मानित करें। एक पुष्पगुच्छ डॉक्टर आर.ए. माशेलकर साहब के लिए, पद्म भूषण, प्रसिद्ध वैज्ञानिक। एक पुष्पगुच्छ डॉक्टर विजय भटकर साहब के लिए, सुपर कंप्यूटर के निर्माता, पद्मश्री। और अब यहां पर दीप प्रज्वलित किया जाएगा, जिस दीपक की रोशनी आप सबको आने वाले समय में मार्ग दिखलाएगी। मैं सभी महानुभावों से निवेदन कर रहा हूं कि कृपया दीप प्रज्वलन में अपना योगदान दें।
Honorable Shri T.N. Session, Sir, Chairman, Bharat Asmita Award Selection Committee, former Chief Election Commissioner of India, is also referred to as the father of electoral reforms of India. During the early and middle 90s, when India was undergoing turbulent electoral times, Shri T.N. Session took firm hold of the electoral process of ensured in discipline and transparency in them. I request Honorable Shri T.N. Session, Sir, to address this gathering.
Right Honorable Chief Justice of India, Professor Vishwanath Karad, other distinguished members on the dais, distinguished members in the audience, ladies and gentlemen, my young friends, we are running well behind schedule and therefore I have no desire to make a long speech. The word Asmita, many of you don't know what it means. If you want to give the nearest possible translation I can think of, it is pride without ego, egoless pride. Janani Janmabhumischa Swargadapi Gariyasi. We are proud of the country, we are proud of our ancient leadership. Today we are in the process of rediscovering leadership. Leadership through management. Management through public representation. Public representation through public announcement. We thought in the committee that the best places at which awards could be given, there are many ways in which places in which awards can be given. We thought the best places are these three: management teaching, public representation and public awareness rising. It is for these reasons that for the last 3 years we have been doing this. We are deeply honored, sir, that you have agreed to come and present the awards today. We hope that in the years to come we will do even greater justice to this entire business, to the point at which, as Rahul Karad and Vishwanathji pointed out, India would become the knowledge leader of the world. We are marching in that direction. There are times at which the heart starts wondering whether there is something wrong happening in the country. But those are minor blips in a country which is set on the path of progress. May this journey go on and on and on, and may we have your blessings. To the Chief Justice of India, we are grateful. To all those who have agreed to receive the awards from us, they have honored us by being honored. Janani Janmabhumischa Swargadapi Gariyasi. Jai Hind.
आणि आता मी नम्र विनंती करणार आहे, आम्हा मराठी माणसांना ज्यांचा अभिमान आहे असे आदरणीय डॉक्टर माशेलकरांना बोलवणार आहे. ते शास्त्रज्ञ आहेत, संपूर्ण भारताला त्यांची प्रत्येक ओळख माहिती आहे आणि आम्ही MIT वाले भाग्यवान आहोत की त्यांची मदत आम्हाला या अवॉर्ड कमिटीमध्ये मिळाली आहे. हे अवॉर्ड नक्की कसे दिले गेले याबद्दल थोडीशी माहिती डॉक्टरांनी आपल्याला द्यावी अशी मी त्यांना विनंती करते.
Honorable Chief Justice of India, Shri K.G. Balakrishnan, Mr. Session, Professor Karad, members of the National Awards Committee, distinguished awardees, my young friends, ladies and gentlemen. It's a very special day, a very special afternoon. This afternoon, we celebrate success. This afternoon, we celebrate the pride of India. We celebrate Bharat Asmita, we celebrate Bharatiya Asmita. I have been privileged to be a member of this awards committee for the last 4 years. It has been a special honor. Mr. T.N. Session has been our chairman, Professor Yashpal, Dr. Vijay Bhatt,